When it comes to tech toys for kids, there are so many options available that it can be hard to know where to start. But don't worry, we've got you covered. The best part is that there are now so many wonderful kid-friendly tech toys you can buy. Whether your child loves building things or has an inquisitive mind, these toys will delight them. From programmable robots to augmented reality games, we've rounded up the best advanced tech toys for kids of all ages, so whether your little one is a budding engineer or a future tech CEO, there's something on this list for them. This is Technology Now. Number 1. Power Treads. Remote-controlled vehicles or RCs can only move on flat, even surfaces like pavement or tile, but will become immobilized if they wander into uneven terrain like grass. However, power treads are not like other toys. The machine's novel form provides it with exceptional mobility across rough terrain, especially considering its compact size. It is able to traverse any terrain, and it does so with a sense of humor. This allows you to build courses specifically for it to overcome challenges. The price tag comes in at $30. Number 2. HHD H6. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle that, with a few simple adjustments, can become a drone. The vehicle's wheels double as the drone's thrusters, allowing the vehicle to fly. However, the toy's benefits do not stop there. The HHD H6 has a high-quality camera for still images and video recording. The picture is wirelessly sent to the owner's smartphone in real time. One can use a dedicated remote control or return to using the smartphone to operate the unit. You can take off and fly for 8 minutes on a single charge or ride for 15 minutes on the ground. The approximate cost of this one-of-a-kind toy is $57.14. Number 3. AirHug's Stunt Shot. As you can see, the Stunt Shot from AirHug's standout feature is its enormous soft wheels. They first enable the car to pass over obstacles and enter the strangest spaces, and secondly, to complete it without endangering the nearby people or furniture. Even though AirHug's Stunt Shot moves around delicate surfaces, it doesn't leave any scratches behind. The cost of the toy is $25. Number 4. Hi Wonder Spider Pie. This spider-shaped toy is not only entertaining but also functional. This gizmo can also instruct its owner in the fundamentals of computer programming. It has a high-resolution camera that can recognize colors and follow moving targets. The robot can navigate around obstacles by using ultrasonic sensors to detect their locations. It also helps with one's capacity to track moving objects in the environment. Toys like Spider Pie are guaranteed to keep you entertained and occupied for hours once you learn how to play with them. The infinite potential exists in the robot. Code allows it to do a wide range of tricks. You can have it for just under $600. Number 5. Silver-lit Robo Chameleon. A robotic pet like this is a nice solution for kids who want a pet but aren't quite ready for the responsibility. Silver-lit is a very cute chameleon that can change the color of its back and crest, move objects with its tongue, and eats special tokens. You can expect to pay around $40 for it. Next up is a device that can be used by the whole family, not just the kids. But first, let me say just how much I appreciate your interest in this video. Please subscribe and like if you want to see more videos like this one. Number 6. Misa. Misa is the next version of the social family robot. Misa can play with your kids, manage your schedule, and monitor the safety of your home all at once thanks to her intelligence, responsiveness, and mobility. Whether you need an extra set of hands around the house or a new set of eyes for your family photos, Misa can do it all. The exclusive Misa Connect app gives you complete command of your Misa. Misa's portability makes it ideal for keeping an eye on the kids or surprising guests with a heartfelt message on the screen. Misa has countless uses, including video calls, alarms, teaching, storytelling, music playback, and video playback. Misa's unique personality and playful nature make it a memorable, useful, and entertaining addition to any home. It's the ideal personal assistant because it can see, hear, teach, speak, and relate to you, all of which will save you time and effort in your daily life. Number 7. Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard. terrorize the ground with this unstoppable high-speed alien technology. This beast can confidently navigate across any surface, and it does so with ease. This remote-controlled toy might seem like just a regular RC toy car, but the secret lies when you already play with it. One of the secrets of this lizard is that they can switch between two different roles. When it's upright, the car functions normally. However, when it's bent, it begins rolling like a wheel, allowing it to easily traverse bumps in the road and even stairs. This toy can be yours for only $18. Number 8. Baum Sterling Peugeot AP172. Baum Sterling manufactured this Peugeot AP172. Despite not being a toy for children because of its complexity, this Peugeot Quadrillette is a collectible toy model which dates back to the 1920s. The toy's absence of radio control is an intriguing and significant feature. Instead, the model's creators gave it a tiny 4-cylinder engine that also has a cardan to drive the back wheels. The Peugeot AP172 can move for 10 minutes before the engine needs some time to cool down. Stainless steel is used to make the screws, and brass is used for the radiator grille, wheels, headlight bezels, and other components. Aluminum, then, is the primary material used. It's noteworthy that the car doubles as a playset. 3 hours are thought to be needed for assembly. This collectible toy is around $480. Number 9. Yanker. Are your kids bored with their regular old toys? Do they need something that will really get their imaginations going? If so, they'll love the Ganker robot. Challenge your pals to battle as you build the ultimate fighting robot. The Ganker robot is a worthy opponent in intense competition. Prove to your friends that you are the ultimate robot master. You don't need a computer or a smartphone to have fun in the future with your friends anymore. Fight it out with your closest friends in a battle. You can equip your Ganker robot with unique weapons and armor, and then engage in massive battles against other robot owners. It's to be expected that your friendly rivalry will heat up from time to time. Toy Ganker robots can also be fun for both kids and their parents. Ganker encourages parental involvement while educating young minds in engineering and robotics. Everyone in the household can get in on the robot fighting fun thanks to the easy-to-use app control system that works with both iOS and Android devices. Although Ganker robots are built for high-stakes battles, they are completely safe for kids to play with. Note that the toys are fighting, but they aren't hurting each other, so no need to worry about potential damage since they merely touch one another. These touches are read by specialized sensors, and the game then awards victory points correctly. The price of a single robot is $400. Kids love playing with toys that are either new or technological. With technological advances, manufacturers keep coming up with newer, better ways to play and have fun. Which of these toys do you think your kids would like? Please tell us in the comments section below. I hope you found this video to be entertaining. Again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching all the latest technological developments right now. This is Technology Now. I'll see you in the next video.